Welcome to my channel, IELTS Solo Guide.
Today, we are going to learn 2025 IELTS Speaking Question 1. Before we start, note that this question is just the predictions and not based on any certain facts. We are simply discussing possible future trends or scenarios. Don't stress about memorizing every answer. Just read the question and practice your response 5 or 6 times. Speak with confidence, make it loud and clear, and turn the answer into your own by adding real-life examples. The key is to understand and communicate, not to memorize. Topic: Dreams, January to April 2025. Question 1. What was your dream when you were a child? Answer 1. When I was a child, I dreamed of becoming a doctor because I wanted to help people. It felt like a noble profession, and I admired doctors for their dedication. Over time, this dream shaped my interest in science and healthcare. Answer 2. My dream as a child was to travel the world and explore new places. I was fascinated by maps and documentaries about different cultures. This dream sparked my curiosity and love for geography. Answer 3. I wanted to be an artist because I loved drawing and painting. I used to spend hours creating sketches and imagine exhibiting my work in galleries. This dream helped me develop creativity and an appreciation for art. Answer 4. As a child, I dreamed of becoming a teacher and educating young minds. I admired how my teachers inspired me, and I wanted to do the same for others. This dream taught me the value of knowledge and sharing it with others. Question 2. Do you remember your dreams when you wake up? Answer 1. Sometimes I remember my dreams, especially if they are very vivid or unusual. These dreams stay with me for a while and often make me think about their meaning. However, most dreams fade quickly once I start my day. Answer 2. Most of the time, I forget my dreams shortly after waking up. I think it's because they are not significant enough to stay in my memory. Occasionally, though, certain images or feelings linger throughout the day. Answer 3. I remember only parts of my dreams, and they often feel incomplete. It's like watching a movie with some scenes missing, which can be frustrating. Still, those fragments can sometimes be amusing or thought-provoking. Answer 4. If the dream is emotional, I tend to remember it clearly. For instance, a scary dream or a very happy one can leave a strong impression. Such dreams often influence my mood for the rest of the day. Question 3. Do you think dreams will affect life? Answer 1. Yes, dreams can influence decisions and inspire creativity in life. For example, artists and writers often draw inspiration from their dreams. They can also help us process emotions or unresolved issues subconsciously. Answer 2. Sometimes dreams affect my mood for the day, especially if they are scary. A bad dream can leave me feeling anxious, while a pleasant dream can make me feel happy. They might not directly change my life, but they do have a subtle impact. Answer 3. I think dreams can give us insight into our subconscious thoughts. For instance, recurring dreams might reflect our worries or desires. Understanding them could lead to self-awareness and personal growth. Answer 4. Not really, as most dreams are just random and have no impact on real life. While they can be entertaining or puzzling, I don't believe they play a significant role in shaping our decisions. Question 4. Do you think dreams have special meanings? Answer 1. Yes, I believe dreams often reflect our emotions and inner thoughts. For example, dreaming about falling might signify a fear of losing control. Analyzing dreams can sometimes reveal things we are unaware of in our waking life. Answer 2. Some dreams might have special meanings, but not all of them. While certain dreams may reflect our subconscious, others might simply be random brain activity. It's interesting to think about what they might symbolize. Answer 3. I think dreams are just a mix of memories and imagination with no real meaning. They are more like a byproduct of the brain organizing information. However, they can still be intriguing and worth exploring. Answer 4. It depends. Sometimes they seem meaningful, but other times they are just random. For instance, dreaming about success might reflect ambition, while strange, nonsensical dreams might have no deeper purpose. Question 5. Are you the kind of person who sticks to dreams? Answer 1. Yes, I believe in pursuing my dreams and working hard to achieve them. It gives me a sense of purpose and direction in life. Even if the journey is challenging, I think it's worth the effort. Answer 2. I try to stick to my dreams, but sometimes I need to be practical. Life often requires compromises, but I always find ways to stay connected to my goals. It's about balancing ambition with reality. Answer 3. Not really. My dreams keep changing as I grow older. I think it's natural for priorities to evolve based on circumstances. However, I try to focus on dreams that align with my values and interests. Answer 4. I stick to my dreams only if they feel achievable and realistic. Pursuing impossible goals can be disheartening, so I prefer to focus on things I can work towards. That said, I still dream big and aim high. Question 6. Do you like hearing other people's dreams? Answer 1. Yes, I enjoy listening to others' dreams. They can be very interesting. Dreams often reveal unique perspectives and creative ideas. It's fascinating to hear how people interpret their dreams. Answer 2. Sometimes I find it boring if the dream is too long or complicated. However, if the dream is funny or emotional, it captures my attention. It depends on how the story is told. Answer 3. I like hearing about funny or unusual dreams people have had. They can spark great conversations and even make us laugh. It's always fun to share such experiences. Answer 4. Not much, as I think dreams are personal and often don't make sense. While I respect others' experiences, I don't always find dream stories engaging. Question 7. Do you share your dreams with others? Answer 1. Yes, I share my dreams with close friends or family if they are interesting. It often leads to fun discussions and interpretations. Sometimes their perspective helps me see the dream differently. Answer 2. Not often, as I feel dreams are private and don't need to be shared. Unless the dream is particularly unusual or significant, I prefer to keep it to myself. Answer 3. I share dreams only when I feel they have a deeper meaning or message. For example, if I dream of achieving a goal, it motivates me to talk about it with others. Answer 4. If the dream is funny or strange, I love sharing it with others. It's always entertaining to see their reactions or hear their interpretations. Question 8. Do you want to learn more about dreams? Answer 1. Yes, I am curious about the science behind dreams and their meanings. Understanding why we dream and how it affects our brain could be fascinating. It might also help me analyze my own dreams better. Answer 2. Not really. I think dreams are just random and not worth studying deeply. While they can be fun to think about, I don't see much value in exploring them further. Answer 3. I would like to know why we dream and what triggers specific dreams. Learning more about this could help me understand myself better. It's a topic that connects science and psychology in a unique way. Answer 4. Yes, learning about dreams can help me understand my subconscious better. It might also provide insights into mental health and how the mind processes emotions. Dreams are a window into a fascinating part of our brain. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more IELTS updated. In next video, I will share more speaking past one question. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.